actually, kasi the rest of the members haven't seen it yet.
So,
yeah, it's the first time. The majority sa kanya was so parang medyo na-starstruck din sila.
Sige.
Ang cute din yan. Pinanood namin yan. Dito.
Ayan po.
Yan, no?
Yeah, Singapore. Black screening.
Black screening for me.
Concert?
That's a concert
And
for
we are
our...
excited for tomorrow.
So, nandun kami.
Yes.
Yes, rehearsal.
Meet and greet.
You'll get out of our faces.